What up guys, this is Pastor Cana again. We're coming out with another video in C Sharp, and today we're going to be doing another application with WinForms. We're going to be doing a background image, but we're going to be using a checkbox for this. Okay, so let's start. But before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe for the channel so we can keep putting more videos and stuff. Alright, so let's do that. We're going to use, where is our checkbox? Right here. So we're going to use one. Let's just keep doing the checkbox 2 and checkbox 3. Bam, right there. So first one it's going to be called checkbox 1. That's going to be like the design name, but we're going to change the text name. So where is it? Come on. So we're going to say Lamborghini. Lambor Lamborghini. Pan. This is checkbox 1. Okay. And now second checkbox is going to be Ferrari. Let's change it to Ferrari. And then for the design name, it's going to be checkbox 2. Okay. And the last one, let's put a Tesla. Tesla, and for the design name is going to be checkbox 3. So okay, we're good. So we're going to add, when we check this, it will give us a background. And I already have my folder where I have my 3 images. I got my Ferrari right here, pan. I got my Lamborghini, pan, and I have my Tesla. Nice, cool. So I have that done. So now let's go to let's double click on the button, on the checkbox. Okay, let's go back again. So let's go back again, and 3. Okay, so right in here we are going to do the following. Okay, we're going to use our image. Let's see, image, and then we're going to call my image equals new image. Okay, that's what we want. No, actually we don't want that. We're going to use my image new. We're going to use the bitmap. Open close the parentheses, semicolon, and then right here we're going to, I already have my path for my pictures. Okay, I will just copy right here. This is the path that I have. So now right here, next line, we're going to say this background, this the background, this is for the current background image equals my image. Okay, so now, and also what we need is, we gotta check right here if the button is, if the checkbox is not checked. We're going to do if if not checkbox 1, because that's what it is, that checked, what we wanted to happen. So we want this background, we don't want to dispose, um we can just say null equals null. Okay, so and then we're going to copy all of this code and we're going to do four button for checkbox 2 and checkbox 3. We just gotta change the path for the, so in this one we got Lambo, the first one. The second one we have Ferrari, and the third one we have Tesla. Okay, this one we're going to check, we're going to change it to checkbox 2 and checkbox 3. Also what we need to add is just the following code. So we're going to, because if we let's just run the program, this should work. It should give us the images, right? Okay, it might take just a second. Okay, so if I check this Lamborghini checkbox, it should give me a background image with the Lamborghini image, right? Boom, I have one. But look at it. Do you want that? And also, if I uncheck this, it clears it, because that's what I'm telling it to do. Yeah, that's what I'm telling it to do over here on the code. Oh man, I got a bunch of programs already open. So you checkbox 1 that is not checked, so which means if you uncheck that, we want that to be null, so which is going to be clear. We'll clear it up. So that's what's happening. So let's go back. um, if I do Ferrari, okay, look, it's still giving me all of those different pictures, right? Why so many different pictures? And I hate that. I don't like that. So let's close this. So what we can do now is the following. There is a line of code that we can use. We can make the pictures fit. Oh crap. No, that right here. So we're going to do this background image layout equals to image layout that is stretch. So this, what it's going to do is going to help me out with the it's going to show me only one picture instead of all of those different ones. If we run it again, Lamborghini, right? Boom, one Lamborghini. It's stretching to the size of the window. Yeah. Now, and then you uncheck that, it clears it up, right? Because that's what we're telling it to do. Same thing for Ferrari. We just do Ferrari, boom, Ferrari, and check Ferrari, clears it up, and then we go to Tesla, pan. So that worked. So that this was a simple application with a checkbox. But to tell the truth, it took me a little bit a while just to figure out this line of code to make it work. This background image layout equals image layout that is stretch. I spent a lot of time just trying just to figure out this thing, because I couldn't even like close to see how to fix it, because there were so many different images. But anyway, so this did a trick, so it's working fine, so we're good to go. So hopefully this video helps you. And you know, I know they're just simple videos, but you can expand on top of this and add more stuff to the Windows Form application, you know. All right, but thank you guys for checking the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're growing slowly but steady. Okay, have a good night. Bye.